Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today is a gorgeous day. It's a Friday, the 16th, and the sun is out. It is a beautiful spring day, 70 degrees, absolutely gorgeous. All we've had is rain, rain, rain. So you know I have to take my walk with my beautiful girl Sassy. And in my beautiful walk, I came into this beautiful blossom here. And I don't know, I'm gonna stay quiet, but the honeybees are very, very busy. So hopefully you can hear it. I can hear it out here, but I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. You can see them buzzing around, and they're loud. Not sure if you guys can hear it. The beautiful tree, not sure if this is the white cherry blossom tree. If you guys know what kind of tree this is, comment on the comment below. Anyway, I wanted to show you what a beautiful, crisp afternoon. And I'm doing my afternoon walk. It thunderstormed early this morning, really bad. And then all of a sudden, the skies cleared, as you see up there. And the sun. And I said, I gotta go walking with my girl. I miss my daily walks, my natural nature walks. And I came upon this beautiful blossom here. I hope you guys are taking time out and going out in nature and appreciating the blossoms, the flowers, the plants, the trees, the bees. We need them. Not only for honey, but we need them. They pollinate. Don't be killing them bees now. You'd be doing humanity no favors doing that.